guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Regina if you're new here. So we are starting a new vlog. So today is on 20 what? Today is on date? I don't know. Is it 16, 15 or 16th of December? So I guess this video I'll post it on next week. So today's on a Saturday. Niko hapa kwa Tubi, as you know, where I usually get my wigs at. Yeah, so I'm going to install a wig that you're not ready to see. Like hata mimi mwenyewe, like I'm like, oh. Anyway guys, so and imagine nilikata kucha yangu, nikikata I was cooking. So I don't know what I was doing, yeah, but I'm going to redo. And I did my makeup today. I want to look good because I want to take myself out just to have some few drinks, not drinks per se, but to eat good, yeah. So see you later.
If I say 25 minutes, it might take longer or shorter. So I'd advise, yeah, you can just come.
Thank you. Oh, kama bata. Huku prison kwenye tulikuwa tuna ile Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm at industrial area. I don't know. Nimekuja kuangalia kile ransili another page, another place. I'm going to put their name here. So let's see and check what they have. Hi guys. So I've decided to try stairs. Don't mind my nails. I need to go them fixed. I'm losing breath because I kupanda stairs. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. I did also added some KFC, some wing sticks, na fries. Yeah, I don't know. That's a lot of fries. I don't. Let's see. This soda, they're having an offer for 5 something. You can go and check. What I ordered from KFC: fries, sticky wings. They are 5, and then steers. I got the burger, and KFC. It was coming with this soda. Yeah, so let's bon appetit. Hi guys, so I've ordered, let me reduce the flash. So I've ordered through Uber Eats. So this is the receipt. So nikapata this new beginnings cake of month. I will go and eat this on their physical shop. So that's Java. So let's see. Oh, this is the menu for the offers. Let's see. Are all January specials. Yeah. So let's dig in. This is my tip. I'd ordered spiced chips. Zimemwagika. So these are spiced chips. I really love their spiced chips. Then there is juice. Okay, let me remove them, then I show you. So 2 burgers, juice. I took the passion, and then the spiced chips and a lot of sauces and salt. Yeah, it's the burger. This is one burger, and then this is the other burger, as you can see. Yeah, I really love Java burgers. Yeah, so let's dine. See you. This is the food. So this are the fried spiced chips, the first burger, the second burger, and the passion juice, and As you can see, these are the sauces. Don't mind my nails. Yeah, so let's dig in.